Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to fit one of these to your car. It's a short shifter. It's designed to shorten the throw of your gear stick, so in theory you can change gears faster. This one's we're going to fit to a 9M3 Polo GTI. Now every short throw shifter or short shifter you'll find is the install will be completely different. The majority of installs will take place in the car, and it will be like underneath the gear stick housing itself. Down there will be a mechanism, and depending on the type of gear shift you have, the install will be done in there. But for this particular model of car, and for a few others, the install is done on the gearbox in the engine bay. So we're going to move around there and get started. Here's the tools you're going to need. You're going to need 2 Phillips screwdrivers, one large, one small, a flathead, a ratchet, an extension bar, a 13 and 10mm socket, a 14 and 16mm ring springs. First off, you need to remove your air feed, and then you can go ahead and remove the bottom half of the airbox. But we've now removed the air feed to the airbox. You can now see the mechanism that we're actually trying to get to, which is down there. So we're going to need to get the battery out of the way. Now the battery is the battery on these Polos. There's a lot of plastic on the top with these all these terminals. You don't actually need to remove the whole cover. You can just move it out of the way to undo the housing for it. There's 3 clips. There's one down here, one down either side, and then one at the back. So there's 3 altogether. Once you remove the airbox and got that out of the way, you can obviously move this, and there'll be the third clip right around the back here. Pop that off, and then once you remove the earth for the battery, this will be able to have enough leeway to actually get the battery out, and then the holder, and then we'll be able to get to the mechanism. Obviously when working with electrics it's really dangerous, so make sure you get some pair of really thick gloves, maybe a mum's pair of ovening gloves. Make sure you don't die when you're disconnecting the battery. Let's do it. So here we have the actual shifting mechanism just above the gearbox before it goes in. The only thing that's holding it on is this nut, and all of these connections are held on by these little spring clips, and if you just lift the top of them up, they just slide off. Just lift that flat piece up, they'll slide off, and then you can pop the arm off. Twist your nut until it falls off. Now for the short shifter that you've bought, you'll get a bunch of little adapters that come with it. These are all different sizes, obviously, to fit different makes of cars that would also fit this shifter. Mine came with 3 little pins that you need to match up to the pin that you undid in the bay. Depending on the kit that you have, you'll match up the little assortment of bits, and this one seems to be perfect, so this is the one.
Go ahead and loosely connect everything up.
Okay, so what I've done is I've set the pin measurement on the farthest setting, so that will be like closest to factory shift. So the throw on that one is about 12 centimeters. Now that's quite a lot. So what I'm going to do now, go back in the bay, change the pin to the setting, the least throw setting, measure that and see what we get.
I was now getting a throw of around 8 centimeters, and this was the best I was going to get from this kit, so I left it at that and started putting things back together. Refitting is the exact reverse of removal, so make sure everything is done up tight and start putting things back together. Now go for a drive and enjoy your shortened shift. The reduction on other kits will be greater, but I was pleased with the overall feel. It's important to remember that once reconnecting the battery, the ECU will need to relearn settings and functions such as radio settings and window controls. It will take a few trips to sort this, so don't worry if anything seems to be dysfunctional. Just remember to take note of any settings you wish to keep.